Hi, welcome to Integrate 2016. I'm Mark Hall, from Business Development Manager from Corsair Solutions. We're showing the tvONE CORIOmaster. The tvONE CORIOmaster is a video wall processor. It's available in a 1RU and a 4RU chassis. The thing with the tvONE CORIOmaster is it has a flexible modular slot type setup, so we can have any sort of an input card ranging from what they call DVI-U to HD-based-T in, HD-based-T out, SDI in, SDI out, and even 4K in, 4K out. The great thing about the CORIOmaster they have this what they call DVI-U, so that DVI connector enables to take in digital and analog signals. So we can take in HDMI, composite, analog PC, YC, a variety of signals in there, as well as HDMI into those inputs. The CORIOmaster addresses each of those outputs individually. So we have a setup here where we've got a LED wall display, and around the back we've got another LED wall display. So it can be scaled up, and you scale it up for really how many inputs or outputs that you need. So for example, if I had a 2x2 display, I would have 4 outputs, and we address each one of those outputs individually. What we can then do is we can then place our inputs. As you see here, we're running the Choreographer, which is a control software. This is also available for anyone to download, and I can do virtual setups here and combinations of monitors and projectors with edge blending, and actually even simulate a setup without actually having the hardware here. But what you'll see we've got here, we've got our first canvas. We can have 4 canvases per system. So what a canvas is that this might be a group. We might have 4 displays in this room. We might have another 4 displays or 6 displays in different rooms, and we've got independent control of separate video walls out of the one system. So we have a large wide LED wall here. We have another very high vertical LED wall in around the other side, which you can actually see here. So we've placed it up. So that's round the back, and on the front of here at the moment, you'll see the layout of the LED wall, and you'll see my inputs. So I can drag. This is my setup software. Any sort of input. So I'm just dragging things through, and any sort of input can be scaled to any position as needed, put in front, behind. We have bezel compensation, so we can work with LED screens, we can work with projectors, and we can adjust this on a pixel by pixel level basis if needed. What we'll do, so if I go in here into my dashboard, we've actually got a range of presets already in here. We also have transition effects. So we've actually preloaded this. We can control the CORIOmaster in a variety of ways. So this can be linked up to an AMX or Crestron control system, where it's all controlled from there, or we could do it from here. And if I click on these here, you'll see that I've actually got presets happening. So if you go to the LED screen over there, you'll see we've got some basically just swirls and different presets happening. So you might have a sports bar application, and you want something a bit fancy, and borders, various layering there as such. So we can deal with really pretty much any sort of input, and we can scale out to whatever the output supports. So if we've got a 4K out, we can do 4K out per output. And as I said, we also have HD-based-T in, HD-based-T out. So we could go straight with a HD-based-T output module and go into Panasonic projectors and things that support that with HD-based-T. So that's pretty much it on the Choreographer. I should say, look, it is very low latency. It's FPGA based. They have a 5-year warranty. They're a bulletproof, rock-solid products. But if you've got any questions, please get in touch. Corsair Solutions, www.corsairsolutions.com.au. Thank you.